Hey my divas, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a review video for this 120 watt sun lamp. This lamp is an amazing bargain on Amazon. It's 120 watts, which means it can cure just about anything. I mean, from your gel polish to your poly gel to your hard gel. I know lots of people have like the 48 watt lamps and some have the 72 watt, but I was in the market for a more powerful lamp. And I found this one on Amazon. It was actually on a lightning deal for like $12. So I grabbed it up, but the regular price on it was around $20, $19.99 at the time. But they're always running deals and lightning deals on this particular lamp. But I saw it, I grabbed it up, I said, wait, what's the risk? I can try it out for $12. If it's not good, I wouldn't be out of much. But it ended up being so amazing that I had to order a second one. So here is the box that it comes in. It says sunshine nails, comfortable eye contact, relieve burning sensation. And it has a double light source. It says LEDs to cure UV gel, builder gel, LED gel. And it has 4,500,000 hours of, well, I guess they couldn't spell lifetime, but that's okay. That's just fine. So here is all the manufacturer information, the rated input, and the dimensions, the model, and the power, which is 120 max. So here is the lamp itself. At first, I did not know how to work this lamp. I thought that you had to unplug it every time that you wanted to stop the timer because it doesn't have an on-off switch like the Beatles lamp does and some of your other lamps. But I figured it out. Yes, I figured it out. Once you start the timer, all you have to do is just hit it again. Hit the same timer button to make it stop. So that I learned that trial and error. It has this handle on it. It's also a detachable so that you can put it on the floor and do your toenails and you don't have to stick your toes inside of this. And it's magnetic, so you can just, stick it back on. Easy peasy. There's the inside. It's plenty of room for you to stick your whole hand in. And that's a problem that I was having with some of the other lamps. The Beatles lamp that I have, it only fits the 4 fingers. It does not fit the thumb also. So I had to cure my 4 fingers and then turn around and cure my thumb separately. But this one, everything goes in here and it cures everything at the same time, the whole hand. So this is an amazing find. If you can get the sun lamp, and this is the model number BQ5T. If there's another model available, I'm not sure if that one would work as good as this one, but I think all of them pretty much look the same. So if you are in the market for a nail lamp, I would honestly consider getting this one because it's super inexpensive and it's super effective. It works amazing. So you might wonder, why would you need a higher 120 watt lamp? Well, the lower wattages your lamp is, like the Beatles lamp is 48 watts. It may not cure all of your polishes and everything that you might want cured. So if you get a 120 watt lamp, you can be sure that it's going to cure everything. And if you get a 160 watt lamp, it's really going to cure everything. It even has this 99-second button on it where it will cure your stuff slowly and it won't burn you. You know how sometimes when you have too much product on your fingernail, it'll start burning. But this 99 seconds, it'll start off with a dimmer light. Then it gradually builds up to a brighter light to fully cure your sets that you need curing. So, I mean, I absolutely love this lamp. So, hey, girl, go out there, get you one. We're doing salon nails over here on Natural Niecy Nails channel on a budget. We may be able to afford even more stuff, but why pay more for something that you can get at great quality at a super budget friendly price? So that's what my channel is about, finding the best deal and the best quality for the least amount of money. And we're going to save those coins and we're going to use those coins to buy other things. Okay, divas? All right, so that's my review. Please don't forget to like this video if you enjoy content like this. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not already done so. That lets me know that you enjoy my channel. It also lets YouTube know that you would like me to make more videos like these. Also, please share this video if you find this information beneficial. Share it with your friends, share it with your family, whoever you know that wants to start doing nails and are interested in finding good deals for it. Share it with them. And don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know if you have a nail lamp. Which one do you have? How many watts is it? And do you like it? Okay? So thank you again, my divas, for watching the video, and you have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day, and stay beautiful, my divas. Bye.